Our topic name is drug abuse. Firstly, start from the introduction of the topic. The drug abuse and addiction are worldwide issue. The drug addiction are lead to other significant problems. With the passage of time, the drug addiction increases and they also affect physically. But addicted get at any mean. And family is the first social group who can affect from that, and parents' motivation play a role in prevention of drugs. According to news report, 8.9 million are drug addicted in Pakistan and 700 people die daily due to drug related complications, and the ratio of death maximum than the death caused by terrorism. Secondly, we talk about drug abuse. When use any kind of drug, legal or illegal, in excessive amount called drug abuse, and they create negative impact on you. Different drugs have different impacts on body. Daily consumed drugs are marijuana, cocaine, heroin and alcohol. Science study says drugs not only affect your mind, they can also affect your daily life and make changes in your behavior, just like you lost self-control. Scientists want to prevent the drug use and help people to reduce their addiction with the help of this information. The result of drugs are not good. They not only affect one age factor, they can affect all ages. Teens, those who drop out from school, use drugs, the brain make more changes and make more dependent on that drug. Adults use drug can face problem of thinking clearly, remember and paying attention. They develop poor social behavior of drug use. They can affect their work performance and personal relationship suffers. Parents, drug use can cause stress-filled homes, child abuse and neglect, harm the well-being and development of child in home. Many will set the stage for drug use in next generations. Babies expressed to drug in womb may be born premature and underweight child. The slow abilities of child and affect behavior in life depends on opioids on other drug mother use in pregnancy. Drugs can make impact on the mind. In this report, we see the mind of the cocaine addictor. Firstly, non-addictor, and the second one, after 1 month use of cocaine, they reduce dopamine receptor in the form of red. And after 4 months, dopamine receptor higher, not the same as the number of user left. Why do people take drugs? To feel good. Some people use for the pleasure in form of relaxation, satisfaction and feel energetic. To feel better, some reduce the stress by using drugs. The third one, to do better, to increase their performance in their life, they use drug just like use cocaine for feel more energetic. The fourth one, curiosity and social pressure. Teens are more dangerous because they try to impress and look daring in front of others using of drugs. Two questions rise in my mind. Do people freely choose to keep using drugs? Yes, they choose voluntarily, but with continuous use, self-control can seemingly impaired. Impairment increase hallmark of addiction. If taking drugs make people feel good or better, what's the problem? First time use, people perceive the positive effects of drug. They believe they can control their use. But drugs quickly takes a person's life. After passage of time, they take drugs just feel normal. They have hard to control the need of drugs that cause many issues for that person and their beloved ones. The next, home and family play a main role in your life. Home is the first institute for child. From there they get language, emotional things. The idol, the elder are the idol for the child. If elder use drug in front of child, they can definitely increase the risk factor of drug use in future. Peer and school. After the home, next main role playing are school and friends. They play a main role in your life. If your friends are drug addicted, definitely you will also become a drug addicted one day. And they can affect life of your school just like poor skills and you are addicted of the drugs. The physical dependence of drugs are when you try to stop using drug, your body need to demand of the drugs and they craving. The mental dependence of drugs are when you not use your mind not working properly. They demand for drugs to work properly. Causes and drug use, unemployment, financial burdens, addictions, failure in life, depression and peer pressure. Signs and symptoms of drug abuse, blood sugar dyes, unusual smell on breath, poor work, secretive behavior, memory loss, distorted vision, suddenly weight loss or weight gain. Availability of our encounter of the drugs. You can get the drugs from medical store without prescription. They can increase the ratio of use of drug. All ailments are cured in chemical substances. And the third one, when you travel different culture and society, many chances that you have changed yourself according to other culture and society. Treatment withdrawal. When the patient stop using drugs, they can face many difficulties physically and emotionally. Feel restlessness, anxiety, depression. Certain treatment medication and devices reduce these symptoms and make easier to stop using of drugs. Staying in treatment, act slowly to prevent drug leaving and have clearly effects on body system. They can help patients focus on counseling and psychotherapies related to drug use. Preventing relapse. Relapse is a process, it's not a event. Stress is the key link of the drug use. Scientists want to develop therapy to help the patient in recovery. Common medication used to treat drug addiction and withdrawals. Behavior therapies are treatment with the help the addicted to change behavior toward the drug use. They motivated addicted to stay in treatment and increase effectiveness of medication. Motivation enhancement therapy. Through motivation, they try addicted to come towards treatment. Family therapy. Family therapies can help patients to recover from addiction so they can improve their family functionings. 12-step facilitation. Individual therapy develop week session to engage 12-step mutual support programs. 12 programs we don't give medication. They give support to those treatment. 12-step theme accepting, surrender and active involvement in recovery. Preventions. Send addictors to rehabilitation center. Give awareness to parents and ask parents to keep eye on childs. Governments give employment. Drug cattle removed from the roots and the government take strict actions. Thank you so much.